We're going back live on YouTube. The 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, sleeping, lying down, driving, no wearing of any head garments unless it's for religious purposes only, no chewing of any gum or reading of any material, and you must be properly dressed when the judge asks you to turn on your cameras. Good morning again, Your Honor.
Good morning to you all that I haven't seen yet. Are the parties ready on, is it Krishna Betalam?
Hello, Your Honor. Are you talking about Varun Betalam?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, now calling the people versus Varun Krishna Betalam, ticket number SX421-31101. One time failed to stop within an assured clear distance ahead. Please state your opinion for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Attorney David Newman appearing on behalf of Varun Betalam. Day and time scheduled for a formal hearing, Your Honor. I'm not quite sure if the trooper has signed in or not. Daniel Tyler, he has not.
No.
We'd like to make a motion. Yes, motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
Okay. So seeing that the officer or trooper Tyler Daniel has not checked in either virtually or in person, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Just read it up.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Now calling the people versus Carlos Camelo Benavides, ticket number P1337986, one count of failure to yield as stationary emergency vehicle and one count of no proof of insurance. Please state your opinion for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Goldman, PA 1222, appearing on behalf of defendant Carlos Benavides, appearing by way of Zoom. Your Honor, we consent to this proceeding being held over Zoom.
And will you state your name for the record, sir?
Carlos Camelo Benavides.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for a formal hearing on the two civil infractions you referenced. It's my understanding that the Officer Harvey Jennings is not present. I can't confirm that, but I don't see him. And the prosecutor indicated that he had not signed on last time we communicated. Could the court confirm?
Is not here. Are you moving for dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court acknowledges and has verified that Officer Jennings has not checked into the courtroom either virtually or in person. Therefore, these matters will be dismissed without prejudice. You are free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate the court's time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna shred this one. I just did the.
Oh.
Can I put it in the recycle bin and shred?
I did that. Sure.
Shred. Now calling the people versus Eli Clark Bond, ticket number 223561151. One count of drag racing, spectating. Please state your appearance for the record. Is he,
Your turn again.
Mr. Upshaw? Is he there?
Mr. Upshur, your appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Randall Upshaw, P number 43574, on behalf of Mr. Bond.
Mr. Bond, will you state your name for the record, please?
Eli Clark Bond, ma'am.
Thank you. And today's the date and time set for trial. Ms. Upshaw, what's your pleasure?
Your Honor, at this time, we'd ask the court to dismiss the case without prejudice.
So the court has verified that Officer Bilal has not checked into the courtroom either virtually or in person. Therefore, the matter will be dismissed without prejudice. And Mr. Bond, I hope that you've learned a lesson from this. I know that you were spectating, but clearly maybe you weren't aware, or allegedly spectating, but just be careful about the company that you keep and where you are and what they're doing, okay, sir, because it could affect you.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a good day. Thank you, Ms. Upshaw.
Have a good day, Your Honor. Thank you.
For everyone else, just be one moment. We're just waiting on your attorneys to come out the breakout room. Mr. Worbley, are you ready to proceed?
We are ready. I'm sorry. Yes. Sorry about that, Judge.
No worries. Are you ready? Like everyone, you've gotten
Everybody that I could do without, I only was able to speak to Mr. Goss, but I have about 5 or 6 that are ready, Judge.
And that's the ones that's out here now, right? 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
it's 5. I'm quite sure.
Is it ahead of time?
No.
Now calling the people versus Curtis Allen Boyd, ticket number SP 130-74241, 1 count of no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your name to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Boyd. Mr. Boyd, could you please state your name for the record?
Curtis Allen Boyd.
And Judge, this is the date and time set for a pretrial. He has presented valid documentation to this court, so for that reason, we're moving to dismiss.
Okay, and he provided documentation in his name or the vehicle that he was driving?
I believe it was in his name, Judge, and there was an email that he had sent.
Okay, so the court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified that Mr. Boyd does in fact have current and valid auto insurance. Therefore, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Boyd, you're free to go. Make sure you're keeping those documents in the vehicle with you, sir, at all times.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Mr. Boyd.
Hello?
Have a good day, Mr. Boyd.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
First. First page. First page.
You don't want me to do one?
He over here too though, but it was all on the first page.
Okay. This is the order.
Mhm.
Now calling the people versus Kayvon Deshaun Bolar. Ticket number SP 133-28562, one count of driver's license expired. Ticket number SP 138-25051, one count of driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Please state your opinion to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you please state your name?
Kevon Bowler.
And Judge, this is the date and time set for an arraignment. He'll stand mute and waive formal reading for purposes of the arraignment, Your Honor.
Okay, the court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Bowler. Mr. Bowler, I need you to be still, sir. You're making me
I
dizzy.
can't hear y'all. I can't hear y'all. I ain't gonna lie. That's what I'm trying to.
You can turn your device up.
Man, my speaker is so low. That's why I got my ear to the speaker.
Okay. Mr. Worthing?
Yes, Judge. He wishes to, he actually has presented bail documentation as far as his license and registration is concerned. So we are requesting a dismissal, and that was discussed with Mr. Goss. He has no objection.
I didn't check the license.
Who checked the license?
We have not, we didn't have it checked, Judge.
I'm checking it now.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, so the court has verified the driver's license is in fact valid. An officer of the court, we will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified that the car registration is also valid. Therefore, both matters will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Bowler, you're free to go, but make sure you're keeping these documents in the vehicle with you at all times, sir.
All right. No problem. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. That's it. Okay. Ready on Janisha Burst. If you could turn your camera on, ma'am, are you ready to proceed? Now calling the people versus Janisha Janae Burst, ticket number P1169-270. One count of driving while license suspended. Ticket number P1157268, count one, no insurance misdemeanor, count two, failure to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Please state your opinion for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Miss, could you please state your name?
Johnny Susanay Burse.
Judge, date and time set for a pretrial. I verified the insurance. She indicates that she has a valid driver's license. If we could just have that momentarily verified. I believe she has valid documentation.
Okay, while we check that, the insurance, is it on a 2013 Black Dodge?
No, I have a new car. I don't have that car anymore.
But the insurance is in your name?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
My ID card and my hold on.
Don't put your, Ms. Burse, don't put your ID in the camera.
Oh, right. Sorry.
And we're live on YouTube, so that in addition to the people in the courtroom, we have other people who are watching.
It's taking a minute to come back. It's valid.
Okay, so the court has verified that you do in fact have a valid driver's license. The officer of the court, an officer of the court has verified insurance, therefore these matters will be dismissed without prejudice. Make sure you're keeping your license up to date and keeping all documents in the vehicle with you anytime you're driving. Okay,
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
you're welcome. Have a good day.
I just thought about it.
Now calling the people versus Antonio Chantel Burge, ticket number P1385948, count 1, driving unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Please state your name for the record, starting with the attorney.
Morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you please state your name for the record?
Antonio Chantel Birch.
Good morning, judges. The date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Burge has presented valid documentation. I did discuss that with Mr. Goss, the representative of the city of Detroit. We were moving to dismiss for those reasons.
And you verified documents for a 2000 white Chevy?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So the court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified valid documentation for Mr. Burge. Therefore, all 3 matters will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Burge, you are free to go. Make sure you're keeping the document in the vehicle with you at all times.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What's going on with Mr. Barnett?
Judge, we did have a resolution and he wanted to accept it.
Okay.
I'm printing off this extra too. Is this gonna be a 3-month notice?
Did we allow the officers to leave in that matter too?
I don't, let me see, who would that
It's in
be?
the breakout room. I'll move on.
Yeah. Greeno.
Did we do Bowie?
Did you want me to go
No,
get the officer, Your Honor?
I just moved him into
You
the
did?
breakout room.
Okay.
But I do want to know, for those who we have officers still waiting on, A. Bowie and
Yeah.
Burnett and
Yeah.
Brown.
Yeah.
Are you waiting?
Attorney
Yeah.
Robley, I sent you a text message.
Oh, okay, I just got a text, Judge, so
Okay,
those will probably be the second round of clients that. Okay,
okay.
yeah.
So, but we're ready to go. Wait, I put in Officer Bottom in for Burnett, not Barnett. Is there an officer here for Barnett?
Barnett that's Todd Perkins' person.
Barnett is Donald. The one who's done too, that's what you said.
Wait, hold on, I'm confused.
There's a Burnett and then
Oh,
there's a Barnett.
Barnett is Detective Greeno.
Right, okay.
Right.
And did you already allow him to leave is what I'm trying to figure out.
No, she's here.
What room is she in?
I don't see her.
She's in room 11. You want me to bring her out?
Oh, you.
Yeah, well, I just moved, but if she doesn't come out, would you let her know? Why is she always done?
Mr. Goss must have put it in.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
Did he take the plea, Your Honor?
He's still here.
Going to. I believe he's accepting the plea now. I'm just trying to bring the officer.
Yeah,
down
that's correct.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go into the breakout room and let the officer know that I'm trying to pull her out.
Okay,
Yeah, I do it, yeah.
okay, no
Attorney
problem.
Robley.
Sure.
Thank you. I apologize if I'm mispronouncing your name. I pulled you out of the breakout room prematurely. If you could return to your breakout room. These are all of them are just leave.
Just that one week.
For trial for earlier.
8:35.
Oh, he just has one.
Attorney Robley.
No, people versus Donald, oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Goss, were you gonna say something?
I was telling Attorney Robley, I just sent him a text message.
Oh,
Thank you, Your Honor.
is it regarding this matter?
Another matter, Your Honor.
Okay, now calling the people versus Donald Barnett, ticket number SP 138-18591, one count of illegal dumping. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the officer or detective.
Detective Jana Greeno, badge D 1357, Detroit Police, ma'am.
Counselor,
Good morning, Judge. May it please this court, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Barnett, could you state your name, please?
Barnett.
Judge, is the day and time set for trial. He wants to waive his rights, accept the offer. If he pled guilty, it would be pursuant to a 3-month delayed sentence.
okay, is that your understanding, Mr. Barnett?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to talk to Mr. Werbling and he advised you of your rights?
Yes, he did.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a guilty plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes, I am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give will be the truth and the entire truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Turning your attention to September 8th, 2022. Were you in the area of Peter Street and Beatrice in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And will you tell the court what, I'm sorry, did you come in contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day, sir?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay, so will you tell the court what you did on that date that makes you guilty of illegal dumping?
I had a half of a lazy boy chair, and I was on my way to work, and I had set it on the side of Peter Street.
Okay, and did you have permission from the owner of that property to set it there, sir?
No, ma'am. I believe it was at the alley.
But it was not your property, is that correct?
Correct.
And you did not have permission, correct?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied, Counselor?
I am, Judge.
The court is also satisfied and will enter a guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Barnett for illegal dumping. Mr. Barnett, I am going to, this is going to be placed on a 3-month delayed sentence, which means that you are not to have any police contact. You are not to pick up any further tickets or charges within the next 3 months. I am also going to assess fines and fees of $400 that are to be paid before your return date. It'll be September 7th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, Your Honor, I had paid the light fee on the 9th, the 28th of 2022.
Judge, I think that had to do with the Department of Buildings and Appeals.
Okay, that's a separate fee. How much was it?
Altogether total, I paid $932.66.
Was it regarding the same incident, Mr. Workley?
He indicates that, Judge. I don't have any verification to that effect, though.
Detective Greeno, do you have any information regarding this?
Yes, ma'am. It was a blight ticket. That's a civil matter. And the lowest ticket can be issued from dumping from a motor vehicle is $800. So they do charge $30 administration fee, I believe. And then the criminal matter is different.
I guess I'm a little confused as to how did he come in contact with both divisions? Do you report it to the City of Detroit Buildings and Safety Department and then they issue an additional ticket?
No, ma'am. We issued the tickets, the blight tickets and the 90-day misdemeanor tickets.
I see. I see.
One civil and one's criminal.
I see.
You could buy a nice lazy boy for $900, Judge. So
I know, right?
He really.
Those are the consequences of dumping. And Mr. Barnett, do you live in the city of Detroit?
I just moved out to the city of Detroit.
So here's the thing that I have a serious issue with the fact. I mean, I know that you've already paid the $900. I will adjust the fines and fees of the court to $190, which is as low as I can go statutorily. But and I'm a little reluctant to even do that because I do understand that $900 is a lot, or it's over $1,000. But I hope that it teaches you a valuable lesson because you don't get to come to our city and just dump your trash in our city and go back to your home because they wouldn't have allowed it there, and you know that they wouldn't have allowed it there. So I am going to assess fines and fees of $190. Your return on September 7th. With the $190 paid, no further contact with police or no further tickets in this matter will be dismissed.
Okay.
Okay. You're free to go. Thank you, Detective.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
You as well. Thank you.
Have a good one, Mr. Burnett.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
So, Judge, was there any way that I could? I have a resolution.
Yeah, I absolutely need you to go back to the breakout room and get everyone resolved while I take care of this retained matter.
Yes, Judge. I'll be back. I certainly will. Thank you, Judge.
Hey, Attorney Reverend, do you need to talk to me before I go?
Yeah, I do. Yes, sir.
All right. Let's meet in breakout room 1.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
This is fine.
Yes, let me pull them out.
Good morning, Mr. Perkins. You're gonna make me dizzy, Mr. Perkins.
I'm sorry, I'm stopped. I was on the run.
Well, we have to pull your client out. Do you need to get to it? Do you need to get somewhere really quickly?
I'm just actually getting ready. I'm walking into Frank Murphy, just going through the metal detector. That's all.
This is a dismissal. You want to stand there real quick?
Yes, of course.
He has an attorney. He has a, no, what?
No, I'm sorry. No.
All right, now call the people versus Theophilus Burdine, the third, ticket number P1420988. One count of failure to immediately disclose to an officer that he or she is carrying a weapon. Please state your opinions for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court. My name is Todd Russell Perkins, P55623, appearing on behalf of Mr. Burdine.
Mr. Burdine, will you state your name for the record?
He's got to unmute himself. Mr. Burdine, can you unmute? Oh, there.
Theophilus Burdine.
Okay, today is the date and time set for trial. What's your pleasure, attorney?
Your Honor, at this time, I would move for dismissal without prejudice.
Okay, so the court has verified that Officer Rumschlag has not checked into the courtroom either virtually or in person. Therefore, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Burdine, I assume you do have a license to carry, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so this, if you weren't aware, now you are aware that you should definitely disclose that you have that weapon whenever you're approached by an officer, okay, sir?
Okay. Thank you.
You're free to go. Good luck.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Perkins. Have a good day.
You too.